God, took me long enough.
I always say what are friends for. I'm trying to make it over to against the wind here to see Chris's fish. What's that, 2 for you two now?
Yeah, 2 bass, 2 bowfin. But I won't count the bowfin. Those are especially the one that hooked me.
Yeah, Chris got hooked this morning. More than hooked, kind of sliced open.
The hook went in past the barb and then the fish shook and ripped it out.
Trying to keep the camera on Chris, not on the boat. As we pull up, maybe I can zoom in now. I'm gonna hit Chris with the boat, I think.
You can probably see his bed to the water too. Right in front of the cattails.
Wow, yeah, that is a decent one.
Nice one.
Let me back the camera off real quick.
I don't know if you can see that.
You're a little dark with the... Hold on a second.
Oh, do I need to move?
Yeah, the sun. Yeah, it's still dark, but that's a little bit better. There we go. Good job, buddy.
It only took me a half hour. Let's see if I can get it back over here on it. I have to wing him a little bit.
Hold on.
He's gonna go right over there.
Okay. This is the bed right here where Chris caught his bass off of. And we're going to get back at it